Alright, y'all, so a little update on my nails, y'all. I done had to rebuild this thumbnail twice already with this freaking polygel. I'm not feeling the polygel. Like, it's sticky. This polygel color is cute, though. I done finally shaped it up. I'm just gonna cure the under part of this thumb, y'all. I didn't have to do this twice already because the first time I did it, when y'all saw me doing it, the inside there was literally like a gap and it was all gushy, like it did not dry, so I just had to redo it. Then the side cracked, so I had to rebuild the side. So now I'm just like gonna cure the underside of this thumb. It's all shaped the way I want to. I'm gonna go ahead and top off with a top coat and be done with this hand, and I gotta do the other hand. I did have to trim a lot off. Like, it's really sturdy, the polygel. Like, at first you saw me using the hand file because I just wanted to see how strong it really was before I went in with the drill. Then later I started using the gel for like the cuticle work and stuff like that. I'm not expecting these nails to last like 2 weeks, but I just wanted something on my hands because my hand's been bare for like a minute. So I'm just gonna cure this underhand thumb, and then I'm gonna just do this other hand and come back and show y'all the end result. Probably not gonna add no jewels or anything else. I'm just gonna shape, top coat, and come and show y'all because it's a lot. And the forms make it easy though, because it does give you some structure. But I don't know, these forms, these ones that came in the kit, they're like really thin at the top. They don't stay all the way thick, so I couldn't keep them long because they look kind of weird to me. I like a thick nail all the way through, even if I'm gonna wear coffin or just like straight nails. So maybe I need to get some more like polygel forms. But yeah, these are they just like form very thin at the top. So, and they're very thick. Like, that gives it the structure to be able to like twist it off. But it was hard to get it like really flush like I can with the acrylic. So I think something like this, it would even be better to use like tips, like glue on a tip and then fill in with the polygel. I think that would be actually easier for me because I know that shape is already there. I'm just like filling it in with the polygel. So, but yeah, y'all, that's what we're doing now. Curing this under nail, and I'm gonna show y'all when I get done. All right, y'all, so we is in the final stretch, y'all. I didn't shape these nails, y'all. I got so irritated with the shape. I just ended up cutting them really low and giving them like a no chip look. So I just cut them really low. And then I just rounded them off like a normal manicure. I did go ahead and buff them out just to give it a matte look, because at first it was shiny and the polygel was uneven, so it was looking weird. So I just buffed it out to give it a matte look. I do have a couple of air bubbles, so buffing it out also helped with that. I just washed my hands really good, so I'm just gonna go ahead and top off with the top coat. But this is how they look for the top coat. Y'all know I'm just using the Model 1's top coat. Y'all know that's my favorite top coat and my favorite white gel. I want to say this is like either a heat or like a glow in the dark polish, because when I had it in the lamp, it was like light green, but like, I guess because my hands are cold, it's just like dark turquoisey blue color. But y'all, this is not my best set. I don't really care for the polygel, or I would say maybe I need to get used to it. But yeah, I thought I was gonna keep them a little bit long, but y'all, the shape was just off. Like, I'm like, no, I'm gonna leave these shorts. I may just leave these on for like maybe even just a week or 2 weeks. I don't know how I feel about it. But it's cute to, like, if you want like some I guess like some strength to your nails. I mean, but then you could just do gel, but I mean, you could just do, yeah, gel with a no chip, but I mean, I guess it's okay. It's not for me. I definitely prefer acrylics. Hopefully these last at least a week, and if not, it's okay. It's not really something I may start doing, or I may have to just really practice it. I think towards like this hand, my right hand, I started getting used to how the polygel was really like moving, and you know how much slip to use and all of that. So, but it's okay. It's not my best work. No, I'm not a professional, but I do my own nails, but I definitely prefer the acrylic. It's just the smell of the acrylic. That's why I was just really trying to it cut me off at the end, but I was just basically saying I just got to get used to the polygel. I would love to try it with a long set, because like, I don't know, it was just, I think it's them forms. They pop off really good, but it's like I don't like how they get skinny at the end. And if I really want to wear long